Hello, my name is Thomas Lowe and I'm a landscape designer in Atlanta, Georgia. Today we'll be talking about how to install concrete edging. There are concrete edging for curved landscape edging and also straight edging. This is a scalloped top for a concrete edge, and I've seen a lot of people use this more than the bottom, but you can also actually turn this over if you wanted a flat edge this way as well. And then I love to use this tool in the garden. This is a rectangle shovel because you can get a really good straight edge unlike the curved shovels that you have. So I highly recommend this when doing any type of edging to form a straight edge. So once we've got the edge as far as we know where we want it to go, the next thing to do will be to take the shovel and then to go in and just make some choppy little cuts on the front side and then also on the back side, and just pulverize the soil really good because that'll make it better to pack. Once the soil is packed, then you can go in and use a masonry or gardening trowel. I love this little tool. It's great to use in many landscape projects around your home. Then you go in, line up the old edging. If you need to, you can also use a level to go across the top. And you can also use, if you have a good pulverized soil, you can use this. Or you can also use paver sand to help get the desired level that you would like. Then once you have all of the edging lined as you'd like, you can also go back in and use the soil to backfill in the back, as well as some along the front. And you can take the end of the shovel or a tamping tool and then just tamp in the edging. My name is Thomas Lowe and I'm a landscape designer in Atlanta, Georgia. Happy gardening.